30 sentences for inviting someone. 1. Would you like to come to my party? 2. Can you join us for dinner tonight? 3. How about a movie this weekend? 4. Would you be free for coffee tomorrow? 5. I'm hosting a small get-together. Want to come? 6. Are you free this Saturday evening? 7. We are going hiking. Want to join? 8. There's a concert tonight. Interested? 9. Why don't you come over sometime? 10. I'd love to have you at my place. 11th. Let's meet for lunch tomorrow. 12th. Want to hang out after work? 13. You're invited to my birthday party. 14. Shall we go for a walk? 15. I'd like to invite you to a family dinner. 16th. Let's plan a weekend trip. 17. Join us for the celebration. 18. Come and be part of the fun. 19. We'd love your company. 20. Don't miss the event this Sunday. 21st. I was thinking of catching up over coffee. 22nd. Let's watch a movie together. 23rd. Want to grab lunch sometime? 24. Can we meet at the cafe near your office? 25th. My friends and I are meeting. Come along. 26. I'm having a few people over. 27. You're always welcome. 28th. We're going to the beach. Come with us. 29th. Let's have a picnic this weekend. 30. Drop by when you're free.